Paano ka discover ni Rams?
Last year po, nag-sign ako ng contract with Artist Circle on February 6. With Artist Circle? With Tito Rams.
February 6 last year.
February 6 last year.
2023.
Yes.
Paano pa niya nakita?
Through Mommy Sheer po. Sheer Valdez, one of his talents din po. And then yung dad ko kasi friend niya si Mommy Sheer. So sabi ko kay Daddy, I wanna become an actress. Then sabi ko, sige, I know someone. Sabi niya si Mommy Sheer. And then Mommy Sheer, that same day, inintroduce ako ni Mommy Sheer kay Tito Ram. Sabi niya, kasi morning kami nag-meet ni Mommy Sheer. So sabi niya, sige, I'll call Tito Ram. I'll call Ram kasi I'm sure magugustuhan ka niya. So pagka-lunch, pinesent ako ni Mommy Sheer kay Tito Rams. And then sabi niya, sige, mag-sign ka na ng contract.
Within a day, within that day.
Yeah, that happened within a day.
Di ba, endorser ka na isang
Yes po.
Beauty salon?
Skinlandia po.
Napunta kita noon.
Yes po.
Natandaan kita.
Skinlandia po. Same owner with Nilandia, pero more on skin.
Skinlandia,
Yes.
doon ko tayo una na-meet. Ito
Yes,
ganda-ganda
po.
nito. Ganda-ganda. Yung pala kung gagawin kang talent ni Rams David.
Yes, thank you.
What made you decided to go showbiz?
23 po. Sorry po.
Paano ka nag-decide na pasukin na sa showbiz?
Actually, even before I was younger, meron na akong thoughts na I wanna enter showbiz. Pero I used to live in Davao po kasi, which is quite far here. So sabi ko, limited opportunities lang. So I'm not gonna push for it na kasi baka sayang yung efforts ko. And yeah, ang layo. Mas marami po kasing opportunities for nag-base for people who lives in Manila. So when we moved here, just around last year, sabi ko kay Dad, maybe this is the sign that I have to push for it na. So sabi ko, Dad, yun na yung story. Yeah. Parang ngayon lang talaga nag-open yung doors for opportunities. Perfect timing po siya.
May limitation ka sa acting mo?
Well, actually, for now, meron po, which is yung mga kissing scenes, sexy scenes. Parang hindi po muna ako mag-dwell into that, but let's see how my journey will progress. And also, kung ano po yung makakabuti sa career ko, then I will take that into consideration.
How long is your contract with Ram?
As far as I know, 3 years po. And more than a year na ako. Yes.
Under GMA7 ka na rin ba?
No po. Independent po siya kay Tito Rams, which is Artist Circle. But I think he has plans of co-managing with Sparkle if given an opportunity.
Ganda-ganda mo pang Sparkle ka.
Thank you po.
Ang ganda na height mo. Ilan ba height mo?
Actually, I'm short lang po. My heels lang are so high. Yeah, I'm 5'1".
5'1"?
Yeah, I'm so short actually.
Teka muna, ano nga mga shows mo?
The first one was Abot Kamay na Pangarap po.
Sino ka doon?
Ako po si Diwata.
Sino doon si Diwata?
Siya po yung pamangkin ni Tita Josa ni Miss Wilma Dazan. So most of my scenes, kasama ko po din si Miss Wilma.
Ano yung bad o
good? Sabi daw po kasi maamo daw yung scenes ko.
Hindi ka pwedeng kontrabida. Anong name mo doon?
Diwata po.
Diwata.
Second guesting mo?
Second, actually, while doing Abot Kamay, pinitch po ako sa Regal Studios, which is called Queen Brother. And then, yung role ko doon actually, boyish po ako.
Anong show?
Queen Brother po, under Regal Studios.
Ano yung Regal Studio?
Parang every weekends po napalabas ng party.
Saan pa palabas si GMA?
Pero once lang po yun, parang guesting lang po. And then after that, I did a guesting again with Pepito Manaloto po.
Ilang araw ka sa Pepito?
1 day taping lang po, pero Valentine's edition. So, romance yung ginampanan ko doon.
At kanino ka pinatner?
One of Tito Rams artist po, talent, yes.
So, next ito na.
Yes, and then ito. Actually, this is my biggest project po kasi kasama talaga ako sa
main cast?
Yeah, MediaCon. Actually, yung first, it felt surreal. Like, I'm on cloud nine, sabi ko, is this happening? Kasi wala pa po akong 1 year nag-start. Like, I started taping with Abot Kamay last June 30. So, hindi pa siya nag-run ng 1 year. Sabi ko, big na agad ng project. So, the trust.
What is your role here?
I'm a policewoman. Yeah, astig po. Actually, prior to prior to taping pala, we did 2 days training. So, tinuruan po talaga kami ng proper gun handling and kung ano yung police works. But at the same time, I'm lucky enough naman kasi I'm quite knowledgeable when it comes to guns. Kasi yun po yung
Your
gun.
dad knows.
Yeah, we're into gun industry. So we do sell guns and ammos, we import guns.
Sa Davao?
No, like sa Philippines po. Like, from Czech Republic,
Oh
nag-import
my
po
God.
kami.
Anong pangalan ng company?
Wag na. Yes.
So you sell, you import?
Yeah, we sell, we import.
How about your studies?
I'm actually sinasabay ko po yung tapings with school.
Saan ka
I
nag-aaral?
take Southville International School po.
What course?
Business management. It's still in line with our family's business. Para in the future, I could help.
You're selling guns.
Yeah.
Pero you are Christian.
No, actually, I'm Islam po. Because my mom is Magindanaon.
Yeah. Ano wala bang ano yun sa showbiz? I mean, walang limitasyon?
Yun nga po yung there's quite a bit of restrictions. But, iniiba ko naman po yung professional sa personal work. Magkaiba naman po yun. Kasi whenever I portray characters, hindi naman po yung si Jess Martinez. Character naman po yun.
Pag nasa taping ka, when it comes to food, nagbabaon ka?
Actually, ever since na nagbabaon po talaga ako. Para kasi ayoko din po na parang hassle for them. Pabigat pa po ako.
Oo, diba? Parang poproblemahin ka pa.
Poproblemahin pa, hindi naman po ako gano'n.
Diba? Kasi may mga karne sa ano.
Yes, I bring my own baon po.
Diba? Yun,
Yun,
ang
galing.
limitasyon.
Yes.
Sino gusto mo maging leading man?
Oh my gosh, sa Kapuso po. Well, siguro kausapin ko po yung management ko about it. Parang I don't wanna decide on my own kasi may path na po na nilaline si Tito Ram. So I trust him naman. So kung sino man yung tingin niya, bagay sa akin na leading
Hindi, pag
man.
pinapili ka.
Pag personally po, Kapuso po.
Sino?
Or pwedeng hindi po
Oo,
Kapuso.
kahit sino.
Sa sino?
Pero mas better kung
Kapuso ka kasi kapuso ka eh.
Actually, kahit sino naman po sa mga...
Sino nakita mo dito? Ang dami mo nakita sa set.
Opo, kasi parang comfortable naman ako dito sa mga kabataan na kasama kabataan.
Mag-mention ko sa name, masikat. Alden Richard.
Alden Richards, actually, yes po.
Yan.
Yes. It
Ganun.
would be an honor for me kasi he is big in this industry. Yeah. So yes, siya po.
Sige, thank you.